talk about our forecast again. We talked about freezing fog a lot last night. This is why it's so dangerous. Look at these pictures from Chief Meteorologist Captain Thompson, the East River Mountain here. You can see that freezing fog, it's water droplets that become super cooled, and they freeze on contact with like signs like this one here, the Mercer County sign, the roadways, and look at the trees here, the tree limbs, all that ice just freezing on contact there. We call that rime ice. This is one of about 3 kinds of ices that we could talk about. And again, this is why we get so concerned with freezing fog, because it can lead to slick spots, even freezing drizzle as well. Now, we saw freezing fog be an issue for our higher elevations here, but we did not see the major impacts that much of the deep south and the central plains saw. Look at all these snow, ice, and freezing rain reports off to our west, and even extreme cold reports towards Colorado there. And then we've got severe weather down to our south, and this system is still marching to the north and east. You can see the heavy rainfall pushing through North Carolina. We've got ice and snow off to our northwest, and then right here at home, we're really just getting plain rain. We're getting a little bit of drizzle, but I think we're going to get mainly plain rain from the system tonight with a few pockets of freezing rain, mainly towards our higher elevations. We're talking like northern and western Pocahontas County under a winter weather advisory tonight, just because they could see more ice accumulations because of those pockets of freezing rain that will be possible. Again, the highest elevations, I had the biggest concern for that. You can see the clouds on our Beckley weather camera, a few raindrops here and there popping up on the lens. The good news out of this is really that our temperatures are pretty well above freezing. We've got most spots in the 40s, 36 towards Lewisburg, 37 towards Bluefield, still above freezing there. So that's going to keep our precipitation type, again, as mainly as plain rain as we go overnight tonight. But we could see some heavier downpours out of the system. Look as we go into the evening. These yellows here showing up. That could be some isolated heavier downpours, which could lead to some isolated flooding issues just because of how saturated we are. We can see things like mudslides, rock slides, and again, some isolated flooding issues from the system. And then you can see these freezing rain and sleet areas towards those higher elevations. So just kind of a complex system pushing through our area, just rounds of possibly isolated heavier downpours. So again, we'll just have to monitor that flooding threat into tonight and some slick spots from the isolated freezing rain as well. So we've got a few scattered snow showers in the morning, temperatures right around the upper 20s, low 30s. It's going to be breezy tonight and throughout the day on Tuesday. Watch this into Tuesday afternoon, folks. Plenty of clouds and even some more scattered snow showers, but notice our temperatures plummeting throughout the day. We're in the 20s into the afternoon tomorrow, so just a cold and breezy day tomorrow. Make sure you're bundling up and just being careful with some of the snow coming down. You can see rainfall totals tonight up to about a ½ an inch. We could see up to an inch, though, again, with some of those heavier downpours possible. Don't be shocked if you hear a rumble of thunder tonight as well. We dry out for Wednesday, really Tuesday night into Wednesday. Then we get more rain, snow, and even some ice possibility as we go into Thursday and even into Friday as well. Something we'll have to track. We'll have to keep an eye on the flooding concern there, because we could see up to 2 inches of rainfall throughout this week, and the ground extremely saturated. We'll have to watch it. Widespread rain tonight with pockets of freezing rain. Cold start to the day. Tomorrow we get even colder into the afternoon with just some flurries flying around there. Not much in regards to snowfall accumulations. We'll dry out for Wednesday. Rain, snow, and ice possible into Thursday. That's your forecast.